He flew the CF-18, the Canadian version of our FA-18, with the 416th Tactical Fighter Squadron for 3 years. He was selected as a team member for Canada's participation in the William Tell Air Combat Competition. In 1997, with 3,100 of military flight hours, Ross, his wife Sherry, and son Gregory transitioned to life as civilians. They moved over to Everett, Washington, where Ross lives while working as a pilot for United Airlines based at SFO, San Francisco. Let's welcome him back to Earth, lining up on runway 31 left. He can't hear you, but he can see you. Let's give him a wave. Be amazing. Ross Granley in the Yak 18. We love you, Ross.